So I'm being told by reliable sources that a lot of people are not using the default risk stuff that Shopify gives you right out of the box. If you're using a Signified or something like that, you already got this taken care of. But if you don't have something like that in place, they give you some risk scoring right out of the tin. And so here's a workflow you can use in Mesa to to get a notification. If something looks a little risky, looks a little fishy. You trigger on order created, you get a list of these order risks, and then you can filter on that not being empty, loop over these bad boys, and then you're going to drill into the particulars of the data in that recommendation, and then you can send yourself a quick text message. So if that's helpful, that would be great. Let me know if you have any questions. We have a great support team that can get that all set up for you. One click the templates, boom, 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 you're in and you're out.